I'm going to perform the activity 3, which is the running message using LCD and Arduino. So in this activity, we have a component, the breadboard, Arduino, and we have potentiometer, the resistor, and change the resistance into 220 ohms. We're going to find the next component, the LCD 16 by 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last component is the jumper wire. Okay. So connect into the positive. I guess it's okay if we're not going to change the colors. To the negative, positive, I'm going to change this one into red. To negative to positive and connect to positive to negative. To red. Now we're going to connect the potentiometer to the breadboard. So potentiometer has 3 pins, which we have the terminal, and we're going to connect this one into the positive side of the breadboard. Connect the pin into positive. The wiper, connect to the contrast, and we have the terminal 2 connect to the negative. 16:2 LCD or the liquid crystal display, it can display 16 characters per line. So there are the VSS, ground, the 5V, contrast, register select, so the read write, enable. We have the D1, D2, D3, 4, 5, 6, and D7. And also the anode and cathode that we're going to connect to the breadboard. So in here, we're going to connect the assigned pins, the 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2 pin. So in here, we're going to get the code, text, and we're going to continue. We're going to get our code in our notepad. So we're going to, okay, that's the code. Copy. And paste in here. So that's it. So I put that's the LCD print. So we're going to start the simulation. I'm going to turn on the potentiometer to change the resistance. So turn it on, potentiometer, so that we are able to see the display message. So we have the LCD print, the CT318 microprocessor by Jessa. CT318 microprocessor by Jessa. The Patoc. Oops, running out of time. So change, and I also put here as the LCD print the CT318 Jessa Patoc. I changed the by Jessa Patoc. Microprocessor. Oops. By Jessa, and I changed to Jessa V Patoc by Jessa V. Oh my god. So that's it. So I'm going to turn off the potentiometer. By using LCD, we are able to see the display information. So in code, we have include liquid crystal that etch to initialize the library with the numbers of the interface pins. So we have the void basic print demo. So I have the LCD print, the CT318 microprocessor, and delay into 500.